Hey everybody, so this video is just going to give you the general idea about the Cisco Meraki web portal interface. So nothing special, just to show the interface to you to see what Meraki Cisco wireless management portal can do for you. Okay, so once you log in, you have this Meraki.com and login. You will see here. So first navigation bar is the network. You can click view all network. So basically it could give you all the network you created. You can always add new network. So basically one network you share some common settings and configurations. Okay, so yeah, it's just a network, and you can choose delete or modify or export the network. So and for the next you can create. Okay, next menu will be once you pick up any network. For example, you pick up this network, so you will be guided to the network setting, per network setting. Okay, per network setting, you can see there's a couple. First of all is a wireless. For sure, we're very curious about wireless settings. So you can have access point. So basically you can add modified access point, right? So you can have multiple access point to share the same settings. Okay, you can see the list. Okay, and you can create the map for this network. So basically show you the exactly location spot for the access point. Okay, and that's an interesting feature I can only see is in the Cisco wireless access point. It is called Air Marshal. So Air Marshal is kind of a security feature to protect your wireless network. So basically it's detecting through the scan the unwanted access point. If it found, it will contain that access point. Is called rogue network SSID detection. So it will contain the one it doesn't want. Okay, and also you can see other SSID spoofs. Who is spoofing? Malicious broadcast, package flood. Okay, so this is a secure feature. Okay, let's go to the location heat map. So we can see. Okay, generally is give you the exact location. Okay, nothing special. Okay, what's that? Next one is a splash login. So this one will enable the splash login for the given SSID. This one doesn't have it, so you can choose the different SSID. This one has doesn't have it. So I guess a lot of people want to use allow the guest network to do the splash login. This one login attempts give you the one who has successful or unsuccessful login. NAS and AC attempt. So it's also a security feature. Nothing shown up here. PCI report. So he's talking about the compliance, PCI compliance. Okay, nothing here. Well, it's healthy. It's detecting the availability or performance. Okay, and SSID. Here you configure the Wi-Fi SSID. Okay, so you can show you configure 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can change the password or the settings. Okay, so yeah, those settings. Some SSD you can use the Active Directory to authenticate users. Okay, access control, you can control the availability. Okay, staff. Okay, CID. Config here. Oh, network access control also configure the pre-shared key. Okay, firewall and traffic shape. So basically you can define a rule. So isolation, you can define isolation. So this one will allow to access low LAN network. Guest, if we guessed, for sure we want to deny the access to LAN network. Splash page, so you can define your splash page. Okay. SSID availability. So I guess you can set up the schedule, scheduling. Okay. Also radio settings. Okay, brand. There's a two band 24, 2.4 and 5. Okay. You can edit settings, assign profile. If I click the given AP, and it's give you more detail about this AP. Okay, SSID, IP address, gateway, location, live data. Okay, DNS okay, DHCP okay, APP okay, connectivities, clients, how many clients, event log, also event log, location, tools, you can ping, reboot, run, blink, run, IRP table, LAN. So LAN you can use the VLAN, RF. This is about radius, clients, channel usage. Okay, these are all about wireless. And next one, organization. Nothing special organization, just overview the whole organization settings. Some kind of alert, SMTP server, overview, change login attempt, firmware upgrade, and also this side is monitor, this side is config settings, config sync MDM, MDM. Okay, so this one can join Apple MDM program. Okay, Android Enterprise. Oh, those MDM needed some actual license feature. It's not free to use. Anyway, we don't care about that. Administrator license information. So the biggest disadvantage of this Cisco product, you do need annual subscription in order to use those devices. Okay, inventory. Okay, I guess that's the main topic about the Meraki Cisco wireless portal. Thanks.